Hello everybody, welcome to the stream. We are live finally after 45 minutes. We are live. Wait a minute, let me just open the chat. Let me know if the volume is the music volume is a bit low or too much. Just let me know. Mic voice low. Okay, let me just increase it. And wait. Hello, can you hear me? Hello, mic checking. Hello. Is the background music too loud? Let me just make it minus 30 dBs best. Hello. Is that good now? Can you hear me? Hello? Okay, actually I was speaking out very slowly, so now I will be speaking much louder, right? So today we are doing Flax. Flax is a open source engine which is kind of similar to Unreal and Unity and Godot. It's like a mixture of all the three of them, Godot, Unreal and Unity. So it's kind of familiar, but it's it's kind of good. It's open source, so that's really good, and the engine has a lot of capabilities. All right, here I have downloaded the version, which is this 1.6, and I have a project that is just I was just testing it out. It has nothing, so we're gonna start with a new project. But first, let me show you the what's up with Prism Studio. Well, it has some better options than OBS. So yeah. Wait, what are you seeing? Wait a minute. Where are you seeing the Prism Studio? Okay, anyways, it's a better version of OBS. That's why I'm kind of using it, and it has a really nice remote thingy that lets you control the stream via your mobile phone. So that's quite handy. Currently it's not working for some reason. I don't know why. I cannot disconnect now, but it's not working right now. It was working before when I was testing the stream, but well, things happen, right? Yeah, it's completely free, I guess. It has a pro version, but it's completely free, I guess. There's an open source license. Yeah, it's completely free. Wait, let me see. It is completely free. Yep, it has a open source license, so that's free, I guess. Anyways, here is the engine list that we are going to do today. I mean, not today, but in the next sessions. There are a lot of these, and I'll be changing them when we are done, with all of these currently. So we did default last week, which was a very it was disaster. I hope Flax go well. Flax is much good and better than default because it has 3D. It has quite nice 3D, and it has similar component based system than Unity, and yeah. Next week we're gonna do Stride, which is also a free free source available engine, I guess. Not open source, but source. I guess it's open source as well. I really don't know, but I'll see that. Next week is Stride, and then gdevelop, ct.js, and there are a lot of them in my list, but I didn't want to show yet because these are a lot. Like, so that's the engines. Let's get back to the screen, whatever, bro. I am getting these messages. I don't want to read them, bro. Fuck. Okay, so let's create a new project and let's see what happens today. Tell me one thing, is the background music too loud or too low? Just one thing. Yeah, there's a background music playing. Is it too loud or too slow? Yeah, I have tried them, but like I want to make a complete game with them, both of them. Like, I didn't make a game, I just tested it out. I made a crap before, so I'm gonna make a complete game in the streams. So that's why I just yeah, I said that I will make try both of them again. Like, I'm gonna try a lot of engines, and this category, the gdevelop, ct.js, and the plus mod thingy, it's for the visual scripting stuff, like visual coding. ct.js is just there to yeah. Yeah, very great game, I know, really. The game, like, I was kind of lazy. I could have made the game, but I was really lazy because I was tired after the stream and I had to complete it that day because the next day I had some work, pretty much like very much work. Okay, so let's create a new project, and yeah, let me just save it somewhere cool. Right, game. What better name than game, right? So I'm going to make the wait, there's already a game, but this can't be true, bro. There should not be a game before. Let's just do my game because it's mine and I'm making it, so it's my game. Yeah, very nice comedy. One thing I didn't like about this, that if you create a new project, it does not open it. Like, you have to open it yourself. It does not open the project for you, so you have to go to the project and then click open. So I mean, that's kind of like annoying. Like, if I didn't know about this, so I was just waiting like it would open, and then I watched a video, and the video he told to open the project yourself. So that's quite annoying, but I guess that it is what it is. So yeah. Anyways, its loading times are much better than Unity. I mean, there are no loading, but a little when it's compiling the code and other stuff, but there is literally no like loading screens when you enter into the editor. Of course, the editor is gonna load because it has to load a lot of stuff. So yeah, but it's cool engine. I really like it. Alongside Godot, this is going to be a very good choice. If you are coming from Unity or other stuff, this is the best choice. But yeah, let's load, and yep, here you go. So this is Flax. I mean, what the hell is that thing? I don't know, but this is Flax. The editor and the interface is similar to Unity and Unreal. More like Unreal. The inspector is like Unreal Engine, and the other stuff is like Unity. Like you can use a C# here. There's a component based system. Like you can add components from this stuff. I mean, there is lighting, but I don't see any lighting. Wait, there is this directional light. I mean, I guess it's loading. Here I can play and it's just snaps me into the play mode. There is no loading screen and stuff like that. It just starts the game instantly. That's what I like about it. It has very less loading screens than Unity, because Unity is just full of loading screens. Everything you click, there's a loading screen. You even quit the engine, there's a loading screen. Like, bro, let me just quit the game engine without loading. Okay, I guess this is kind of a, like, what is this? There's no model. What? Everything is black. Why is everything black? Let me see, why is everything black, bro? Wait, let me just add them again. So I'm going to delete one of them. But the camera is even black. Wow. Everything is black, bro. Like, why? Is this a bug or something? Like, let's just reload the project, because this might be a bug, because it shows here the background and it should have a background and stuff. So yeah, we are gonna do something interesting really soon, but just okay, now it works. That's nice. Okay, let's add a cube. How do we add it? Like this? Okay, nice. So we just drag and drop it. Let's where is, okay, how do I wait, okay, 1 2 3, the numbers are the thing. Okay, let me just scale it to something like 30 and 30. Okay, so this is the ground. If I play the game, I can move around with the WSD in the game, because there's a script for the camera in it. And yeah, so the game I'm going to make is going to be a cubathon game, which I made in my Godot beginner series, the crash course one, right? That's what I'm going to make. And let's start making it, right? So in that game, the ground is something like this, and the camera has no script, so I'm just going to delete this one. Okay, we delete from here, remove. What you don't get it. For real, like, motion blur is so overrated, bro. Like, so much. It's, yeah, for real. Can I turn it off? Wait, graphics quality, there should be an option for that. Use VSync. How can I turn off the motion blur from the engine? There is other stuff. Is that, let's just do everything to low. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happened. Okay, it has gotten a bit fast, the engine, but more than that, I guess there is no motion blur now. That's nice. Right, okay, so let's bring the camera over here. Just come over here. Man, I'm just so used to the QWER, like QWERTY keys in Godot to rotate, scale, and move, and I just keep pressing that buttons again. Okay, let's restart 90 and 0. Reset the values. We move it. Okay, that's the origin. I've gotta move it back. The stream is in 30 fps. The engine is like quite high end, so it's lagging. I know. That's for sure because bro, I got a potato PC. Like for real. It's a potato. What can you expect from a potato? Let me see how many FPS I'm getting. It is 30. If I like don't move the camera much, it is 30. Yeah, I will once I make a game, bro. I am very determined to make a game, like very much. I said if I don't make this game, I'm gonna leave game dev. Okay, now it doesn't even. Okay, never mind. It does. But how can I not snap? Enable position. Where's okay? Here you go. There's that snapping. That's nice. So let's do this. Stride is more like it's more laggy, you know. Stride is more heavier, or maybe I mean it's not about the engine. It's like for me it's running smooth, but in the stream it's just so bad. Like it's not so bad. I mean it's working nice. It's good, I guess. I mean, I use this footage in like 4x or 6x speed, so I don't really care about the lagginess and all that stuff. I can just speed it up and it will look like it's working nice. Yeah, I will quit the career once I fail to make this game, because I have no idea how to do scripting in this one. I just know a little bit C#, but that's really not gonna help. Okay, let's see. That's how we want. Okay, I'm gonna do this like this. It's so small, but whatever. Now we are going to add the best another cube. This is going to be ground, and this is gonna be our player. Okay, you player, come over here. Okay, that's a quite big cube. I want, let's make it a little bit up so that it doesn't look so big. Okay, that's too much. How can I like ignore the snapping? Like if I don't want to snap. Wait, it's not even showing in the game. Oh, but when did I duplicated the camera? Damn. Okay, now it's, why the hell it's not updating in the game? What the hell happened? What? Okay, now it works. Nice. Okay, I guess this is good. Now we're going to give it a material, and I am supposing that it should go right there. Yeah, it should go there, but how do I create a new one? There is a material, but where do I create the materials and stuff? is it over here in the contents? Can I create a new folder? Yep. Let's create a materials folder, and here let's create a new material for the ground, and let's open that up. Okay, so this is how you do material stuff. So there are nodes. There's nodes. Seriously, bro, there's nodes. Let's do color. There should be a color. Okay, color, we got the white color, so that's nice. We're gonna save it, close it. We got the, wait, it's not changed. There's already a material on the ground. How do I remove it? Where is that material? And why I cannot see it in the inspector? If there's a material, you just gotta say it. Okay, what? Nice ground. Wait. How do I make it like there should not be any material? Okay, that's for the editor. I don't want editor stuff. Content materials. I want to apply this. Okay, now it applied. Nice. Okay, so we got the ground material. Let's recolor it because white is kind of cringe. So let's give it a nice groundy color like this. And now we got the ground color. Let's get with let's give a material to the player as well, and let's open it. Color, and it's going to be a nice blue color. Let's save it and let's apply it. Okay, now it's working good, or it's looking cool. If I play the game, nothing happens, of course, because there isn't anything right now. Okay, so now it's time for coding. So I'm going to make a very basic left right movement that I did with the grow one, and well, let's just do that. So here I'm gonna go back in the here I guess I can create a new folder for scripts, and I cannot create a script over here. What? Where's that simple script? I don't want visual script. Okay, I should go to, yeah, I gotta come over here inside the source. Let's create new material for scripts over here, and let's add C# script, and it's going to be player controller. Okay, there is also visual scripting over here, so I'm gonna use that as well because it's kind of cool. I like visual stuff. Like I mean, it's kind of messy, the visual scripting, like the nodes and stuff, but it's cool, right? Yeah, they are nice colors for real. Okay, how do I set the editor? I'm gonna open it in the options, editor, source code. It's going to be Visual Studio Code, and let's open it up. Okay, now damn, there are a lot of functions, a lot of them, only 4 of them. Like it's they are less than default one, but I mean, you could have just give me the on start and on update. I guess this is the exit tree, or okay, so it's like there's a option for it. Okay, so I guess this is for that. Like if I disable this thing runs, and if I enable it, this things run. I don't know, but whatever. In the start, I'm just going to do a simple debug.log. So it's kind of same. I don't get any code completion. I don't know why, but I just don't. I have the I had the extension. What? I have the extension, but in C# installing. What? I downloaded this one. It have everything, but it does not. Okay, there is a reload required. Let's reload it. I guess it was updating, but we gotta attach this script to this guy. We can drag and drop. Oh, it's compiling. So that's a really nice thing. I can still work. I can still do stuff while the script is compiling, like do stuff in the editor. But in Unity, there's just a annoying loading screen at top of everything. You cannot do anything. You just have to wait. And here I can move around. I can, pass this compiling shit. That's why I like Godot. Like the GD script, it does not have to be compiled every time you run the freaking game. Bro, just like, why? Anyways, how can I apply the script? It's not even going there. Wait, do we have to change it? Wait. It's not even showing over here, and I cannot even change it. What? Scripts, let's move it. I'm going to delete it from here. Let's go to my game source. Let's just create it out here. Not a folder, but a script. A script. Bruh. Okay, where I cannot create stuff. So I guess I gotta go here. New C# script, right? Player controller. Now it will work. I can drag this here. Once it's compiled, of course. Okay, I guess the C# thing is working. I guess it's language server initialized. So this is the code for the camera movement. Damn, it's a lot, but I guess it's kind of same. It's a lot. There is, I guess I'm gonna try the visual scripting now. Okay, nice. It's fuck. Okay, there you go. Player controller, we drag it over there, it shows it over here. Nice. So now let's open that player controller and just go back, or just go down. I don't want you. Okay, so in the update, I wanna do, there's still not any code completion, but whatever. So hello world, we're gonna see if it's working, and then we're gonna start making some movement. I could have just used the visual scripting to move the objects, because I guess it's kind of simple. Okay, let's start the game. In the debug log, there is a hello world, so that's nice. I mean, it's the same code as the Unity one, debug.log. That's nice. Now, how do I get the player to move? So of course, it's gonna go into the onUpdate function, and here let's do if input dot, I am not getting any code completion, and that's really annoying. Get axis horizontal, or let's do get key down. How do I get the keys? Is that keycode.a, something like that? Keycode.a. Let's try this. Debug.log left. Let's try this one. Let it compile. I hate this compiling shit. It breaks your flow. I just gotta love to go with the flow, but whatever. Nice, there's a thing. Key code does not exist, okay? Then how do we do stuff? There should be a thing called something like input something. Is that okay? There's an input. Where that's for the editor options, not for the game. Edit file, project, game, scene, edit tools. It should be over here, right? Window. What? How do I make the input stuff? Run build CSV mesh. What? Nice. Theme. We can change the theme. There's only one theme. Nice. Visual. We don't care about that, bro. Just give me the input stuff. So there's inputs. I guess I can. Okay, not they are not inputs. They are for the editor stuff. I need stuff for my game. Is that game settings? No, it's game settings. Do we have to create an input thingy? Settings. Settings. Graphic setting. Okay, there you go. Input settings. Actions mapping. So there is navigate left. Arrow left, pressing T all. Okay, we can create our own, so that's nice. It's action stuff, and then there is axis mapping for horizontal and vertical stuff. Let's do this. Let's do the horizontal and vertical thingy. So we're going to create a float edge, move edge, or input x equals input dot get axis horizontal, and then we're going to do the same thing with input z. That's going to be for vertical. I am hoping that this is z. The red one is x. Okay, this is x, and z is the blue one. Is that z? Yes, it's the z. Anyways, we do this and then we create a new vector, I guess. Wait, we create a new vector. I'm going with the good old kind of approach for this one. Vector 3. Vector 3 is going to be velocity, right? And then we're going to say velocity equals, we'll create a new vector 3. It's going to be input x times some speed input. It's going to be velocity dot y, or 0, because we're not going to move in 0. And velocity dot, or not velocity, input z times 200. I guess this will work. Now how do I set? Okay, so I am going to wait. Can I just simply set it equal to position? Is there a transformed at position? Okay, it is transformed at position, I guess. Let's see if there are any cool errors or not. So every setting is right over here in the content, like every setting, graphics settings. Okay, there is an error. What does it say? Transform does not contain a definition for position. So there is not any transformed position. So is there a position? Just like this, just do position. Okay, it shows stuff. Without Vulkan rendering, Vulkanistic is missing. Real. Okay, there's another error. The name position does not exist. What? Then how the hell we are supposed to move stuff? Let me see this script. It has something. So move equals what? That's rotation. I'm not gonna do this quaternion stuff. I hate quaternions. I don't know why, but I just do. But there is this move equals cam transformed or transform direction move. I'm doing something over here, something like that. Okay, translation. There's translation. Bro, there's translation. Why there gotta be translation? Should I do this? Translation or translation? Was it like this? Okay, it's in capital. We can do this. Let's see if it works. It should work. It should work. It should work. How long is the stream yet? Let me see. Okay, it's only 40 minutes. Damn. Okay. What the hell? Translation does not exist. What? Huh. That's weird. Actor or transform. Now there's a transform thingy. Let's just try doing the transform. We can do this dot transform. Wait. Never mind. Let's try again. We're just gonna try again until it works. I'm going to use the documentation as less as possible in this one because I'm gonna do it on my own. I don't know why I decided to do that, but Flax. Wait, what? That's I guess I gotta do this velocity, and then I'm gonna do let's go there in the player controller, not in the player, in the free camera stuff. So here it's setting the move equals the transform direction, which I don't want. I mean, is transform direction a built-in thingy? Transform the direction vector from the local space to the word space. I don't want this. I just want this thing to happen. So there is a cam trans thingy. It's acted or transform. So this, I guess the error was because what? Is there an error now? Okay, it worked, but because I didn't do anything over here, that's why it worked. Now I'm gonna set it, the velocity, I'm gonna set it equals, or not the velocity, or the velocity, actor dot transform. So that was the component, that was the thing. Actor dot transform equals something. Okay, so let's do this. It's gonna return the same error, I know that, but I just, yeah, it's gonna return the same error for real. I'm not joking. in free camera, this is what's moving the things. So this cam translation dot translation. Translation, the translation vector of the transform. Then what is move? It's a local variable. Then move speed, it's stuff. Why I'm not getting that cool, stuff over here? It's just working in the, I guess I don't need this, but it's also not there as well. And then there is not any class here. Wait, why is, okay, there is a class, but it does not show all of that cool stuff. I guess there, yeah, it's the thing is working. Okay, vector 3 to transform. Okay, let's just see how it does. I'm just gonna go to our big old friend ChatGPT and we're gonna create a script, because I just, yeah, okay, so again, okay, I just created this, and well, it's wait, what the hell is it doing over there? Input dot is key down real. Let's just copy and paste it, whatever. Not all, we just gotta do the what the hell? It's not, bro, it's not Python. Flax in C#, bro, C#. It just gave me the Python script. Like, what the hell? Yeah, that's what I needed. I'm just gonna copy this. I hope this works. I already do. So horizontal input. Wait, why did I even needed the, like, why? Okay, let's see if this works. There should be a translate function over here. There should be. Okay, there is not. It's just transform. That's nice. It's just transform. Okay, let's try it. Let's try this one. If it gives any error or something. This guy don't even know Flax, so it just gave me the Unity engine code for real. So let's just go to Flax documentation. I knew it. There's no transform, there's no speed. Okay, of course there's no speed and there's no delta time. Wait, is this just delta? How do I get the delta thingy? Time to delta time, it's same. Why it's not working? Time dot delta time. I got that. The same stuff. Okay, I don't know why, but it's not registering my script into that thingy of its. So I'm just gonna reload this script. So let's, okay, now there are gonna be errors. Let's show in content window and let's open it again, so that it shows me the autocomplete and all that stuff. And bro, what the hell I just opened? Flax engine, not the logo, just the engine. And I don't know why their homepage doesn't show up when I search. Their 1.4 release version show up. It's like crazy. Okay, let's go to learn documentation and C# API, and let's search for transform. There's no transform. There it is, transform, but it's a matrix. What? Transform vector 3 position. So I can do that. I don't have to set it equal to something. It's like this translate. I can just simply do transform and it will work. Okay, it should, right? It should. Okay, something is happening. I guess it's working. I guess it's working. Okay, so it just throwed me an error. Script.transform cannot be used like a method, but it's used like that. Where there's a position, now there's a parameters. But let's do again. Float input x equals input dot get axis horizontal, and then we're going to say vector 3 velocity equals, not equals, let's say vector 3 dot vector 3, and we're going to say velocity equals new vector 3 input x 0 0. But I need to move in 0x, right? No, I need to move it in z. Copy it, paste it, set it to 0, change it to z, change it to z. Now we're going to set the transform. Let's do this. Transform equals velocity. Let's try that. Velocity times a speed. So public float speed. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna multiply by speed. Let's see if that public float thingy actually exports the variable to the inspector. Nope. The self does not exist and vector 3 cannot be used like a method. Where did I created a new variable, bro. I didn't use it as a method. What the hell is happening? Times speed. I don't need this one. Let's just set the position equals this. Can't even do stuff. I'm so bad at programming and coding. Like, I can't even make a left right movement in C#. Not my mistake. Actually, okay, you know what? I am going back. I am making the like I am gonna make that visual script stuff because it's really cool and I like that. So I'm gonna create this visual script. Let's create a new visual script. Controller, player controller, and let's open it. Okay, so this is that. I'm gonna full screen and let's just do update. Like, you know, doing stuff visually is kind of very simple. I mean, I'm gonna struggle here a lot because yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna check if we are pressing the condition input to Texas type. Where is that horizontal? There's no horizontal. Wait, there's no horizontal. There was a key thingy. On key down. Which key? It's going to be A. Or let's do arrow left. So it's going to check if we're pressing arrow left. We're going to transform. Where's this? Okay, that's the position. We're gonna set the local position of the actor, and we're gonna add, I guess. Add. Where's that math head? Add. We're gonna add this value. It's a float 3. But what's a float 3? Huh? What the hell is a float 3? Let's add a parameter. Float. There is a float 3. What the hell? It's not a vector. It's a float. Hi. I don't really understand, but I'm just gonna give it this value. And let's drag and drop this new parameter. Not the new parameter, it's speed. Let's drag and drop it here and let's give it that. So we're gonna set our position to this place, right? It does not require stuff. It's running and it's gonna give me some errors. It's gonna throw a bunch of errors. Okay, the input is not working. Wait, I gotta do this. Let's remove this one and let's play it. Shit. Remove, add, play. What's the errors? Okay, there are no errors and it's working as well. That's cool. No errors and it's not even working. Cool. But I didn't added the physics stuff to this, right? Wait, I didn't added rigid body to this thing. What? Wait, there's a rigid body thingy. I need to add it. I can then do stuff with it. Now it interacts with the physics. So I gotta give it a box collider. Okay, now it will interact. The player does not have it. I guess I gotta do this. Let's add a box collider to the box player as well. And it's not working. Shut the fuck up about the script. I don't care about the script anymore. Okay, it should work. Is it working? Nope. The rigid body should be apparent, I guess. So let's make it apparent. not there. You how get right there, and let's play. Okay, it's still not working. Very nice, very cool. Maybe it's something like that. Yeah, now it works. Okay, it's quite a bouncy. So let's fix that bounciness. I guess there's a thingy for that. We have something like, where's the options for that? Okay, there's the rigid body. Right, just selected the rigid body, and there it is. Where are the physics material? Enable gravity, I want that. Max angular velocity is kinematic, enable simulation. I guess it's good. Just bounce however you want. I don't care. I just want to move you. Move you, little bitch. Move. Okay. So now, how do I move it? How do I move it using the rigid body? So get attached rigid body. Rigid body. I'm gonna say add force. If the input is 2, we're gonna add the force in the z value. Let's say 5. And force is going to be force or acceleration. Let's see. Let's save. And let's play. If I press the left, alright, nothing happens. Nice. In default, there was a thing that you have to do before doing so. I guess I gotta add the script over here, not in the layer there. So this is going to be the player. That is going to be just a cube, and this is going to be the ground, right? So now it should move. It should move. Why the hell it's not moving? Just move. Okay, let's try it with something else. Base class. I can do a base class. Ah, nice. Now it crashed. Very good. Just what I wanted. Just change the class and it crashes. Very nice. Cool. Very cool. Let's open it again. Of course. Preparing for a team fight, whatever. Okay. Cannot send the. Okay, I guess it was because of this. Let's change it back to script. Now it's gonna crash again, I guess. Okay, it did not. That's nice. Okay, what? Okay, never mind. Where are the scenes? I don't see any scenes. It's gonna content. Okay, there you go. Scripts compilation failed, cannot load scene without game script module. Just delete it. Let's create a new scene. Game. Let's open it up. Now what the hell is wrong? Visual scripts. Let's delete the script. I guess it's happening because of that. And let's go to the scene again. We're also going to delete this one. Let's go back to my game. content, and let's open the scene, and it's still not showing. Game script models, where the hell are they? Okay, now it works. Nice. Okay, so we are again at the very beginning, and that's very nice. Thank you. Very nice. Okay, let's do this, buddy. Let's move it over here. Let's rotate our camera to something like this. Like this. Add a model, other audio, actor, UI, visuals. Never mind. We're gonna add a rigid body again. A rigid body is going to be layer, and then we're gonna add a model, not a model but a basic model of cube with a collider of box. Right. Materials, and let's delete all of them. Let's create a new material. Layer matte. Open it up. Let's give him a color. Not the texture codes. I need to give him the colors. That one, and it's going to be green. Oh no, it's for the player. It's gonna go with the blue. Save it. Apply it. Save it, close it, apply. Apply, bro. I'm gonna apply this. What? Right? The cube. Okay. They should go there. Very nice. Let's move the camera up a little bit. There's not any selection tool, I guess. Okay, that's too much rotated. Okay, now let's see if the rigid body is working. Okay, that's working. Now for the floor, we're gonna add a box collider as well, so that it knows we have to just stop there. Okay, now let's attach a script over here. So let's go back to source, game, new, not here, in the content, visual scripts. Let's create a new visual script. Data controller. Let's create it, attach it, and open it. Here I'm gonna say update. I'm gonna check every frame, or there's a on key down. There's a this is a function. On update, I'm gonna say on key down. If the key is, there's a key code or keyboard key. Can I export this parameter? Yep. Not keyboard keys, and it's going to be A, or arrow left. It's going to be the left key. How can I delete a parameter? Okay, like that. So this is going to be the key. Instance. What's this instance? Actor. What? Actor who? This instance. When I work it to this instance, it doesn't work. How does it work then? Is it important? I don't know. Maybe. Let's just save it. And here, if we press, we're gonna say print or debug. Log, and the message is going to be a string. Hello. Just to see if this thing works. So let's play. We're going to debug log. We press any key, it does not, and if we close it and start again, it does not work. Very nice, very cool. Wait, does it work? Like, it really doesn't work? For real? Why the hell do you not work? You should work. Work. Okay, let's go back. We don't want C# API now. We're gonna want the manual. Physics. Scripting game, C#, visual scripting. Real. How do I create a simple movement? Flax, visual scripting, movement. This is the movement. I'm not gonna watch it right now. It's there for later, because I'm currently just trying to do this. It should work. Okay, let's just stop doing debug stuff. Let's do actual stuff. Stop the script, open it. Okay, the on key down, I want my player, this instance. I get the sector, set this velocity. We're gonna set the velocity to 20. Is that work? Nope. Transform. Get the transform of the. Oh, we're not gonna get the transform. There's not any position and stuff. Or add force. Let's do add force. Of, let's say this. Save it. Close it. Play it. Okay, why the hell it's not adding force then? Why? It's getting annoying. It's getting really annoying. Let's just watch that stuff. There's a movement. There's a third person movement. I'm just gonna watch that one. It's really big.
Creating a good third-person movement controller can be pretty confusing. There's a lot of stuff that goes into creating satisfying player physics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create relative input. I'm super excited, so let's get started.
So how's the setup working?
Camera so that you can see the game world. I've already added one and set it so that it's looking right at my character. Alright, so now we can get to creating our movement. In Flax, we movement in. I've also set up a character controller, and I've adjusted the parameters so that it's about the size of an average human. As a child of the character controller, I've also added a capsule mesh and adjusted its scale to match the character controller. And as an extra, you'll need is a camera. Something like player movement. Dragging it onto the script section of the properties methods, because we won't be needing them. The first thing we'll need to add is a reference to our character controller variable, and I'll just name it character controller. Called once when the game first begins. We can say character controller equals actor, which is the actor that the script is attached to. However, we can't just set it directly to our actor, since the script doesn't know what type of actor it's attached to. We can tell it by using actor.as, and inside the brackets, we can type character controller. Now that we have a reference to our character, we can start calling methods on it. We'll do that down here in the onUpdate method, which is called every frame our game runs. The first thing we'll need to do is get input from our player. We can store that input new vector3. Next, axis is set up for us, so we can use that one. We can also do the same for the forward axis. Holding down both the forward and input is equal to vector3.clampLength. The functions we have available. We can just use the basic move function. In here, I'm going to feed in our move input. However, by itself, this input value is very small and won't move our character very much. So we'll need to create a new variable to control our speed. And
Okay, I guess I'm just gonna use the... Let's also see the visual scripting video.
From the physics, drag a box collider and released over the cube already created. We want it as a child of the cube. Let's change the name Accordion X and like Unity or Unreal, but closer to Godot in what is related to the paradigm game object and game component. So, in the
What's the player? There's a rigid body. I can
Drag
replace the
the
rigid body.
it would be too difficult to see against a white world.
Just
Don't
give me
choose
the code.
more than once the same script to the object. As soon as the script is where you define all the visual nodes that will implement the code. So, let's create the first node. Has been pressed, and our case
Wait, it's called on update. Okay. Well, I just was using the update. It's called on update. That's the method. That's the method. No, it's not that one. Update. Control. Update. Okay, this is the one. Now let's see if this works. Okay, now it's not working. Never mind. Okay, so he's also getting the rigid body. So rigid body. Let's save it. Let's go box cube player.
is the spacebar. Need to check it. Bar. So right. Creating links between execution icon represented by a triangle to the one in the if node. From the getKeyDown node, let's link the return field to the condition field in between nodes. Create a new node and choose the add force option.
Okay, I guess I'm getting it. So this is working, this is good, and it's quite same as the video. Get key down, we're gonna check if it's true, then we're gonna do stuff with it. Check if it's true. If this is true, then we're gonna do some stuff with it. So if condition is true, we're gonna add a force at our RB with a force, this one. So I guess this should work. Let's try this. And it still doesn't work. Very nice, cool. Wait, didn't I remove the script yet? Shit. Oh.
Link the slide. Vector 3. Force node under the force parameter. Jumping. Visual script is just like save and exit the visual script editor.
Okay, I guess I gotta exit it every time I gotta do something. It's still not doing anything, but what the hell? It still doesn't work, and it's the same as the guy in the script, in the video. It's the same stuff. See? I guess one thing that is not same is this one. So on update, he chose the override one, this one. So I guess that is, no, that's not the issue. I just don't get why this doesn't work. It works for them, but not me. We have they created the script.
Object to the rigid body parameter in the
Okay, I didn't do that. Now it should work. Nope. Still not working. What the hell? The player is immovable. Like it cannot move. When I do this, it cannot move. I guess the force is too low. That might be the case. So let's add a vector 3. It's going to be force. Let's get it. Let's set it equal to here. Let's save it, close it, and force is going to be 4000. Let's say. Nope. Nothing. It's just not getting the input.
There is a problem or a bug with this functionality. You will see on a lot of occasions that the reference is lost, and you will have to relink the rigid body object several times. So, let's run the game. Let's
It works.
because we have forgotten to set the node get key down to pure node. We are not sure why this has to be done. Button to set the node get key down to pure node. Click on the get key down node. Back to the game.
Why the hell? It just doesn't work.
Convert to pure node. Right click on the get key down node and choose the bottom option. Convert to
What the hell is that bottom option? Is that what I had to do? Nope. I guess this is because of this guy. So let's just do it with the A key. So let's try.
pure node. Save and let's go back to the game. Object. As soon as the script, let's drag the player in it to get the reference to the rigid body. Be careful, when running the game, to have always the game views. Let's now create the jump into full Sharp and C++ scripting. Let's use a visual content folder, and then right click and choose under the new option, the visual script.
I guess I gotta move the script out of here, so I'm gonna copy it, paste it, remove it, drag this one, add rigid body and 2000. But
Double-click it, and the visual scripting editor will open. On the right, you can see the different options available, like the base class, set to script, and some special attributes associated with the type of class we want to create. Under it, you have the add function, allows basic, it is where you I didn't edit the flow color yet. I actually restarted the stuff because it wasn't working and it's still not working. Why always it's gonna be me, just me? What have I done wrong? Here you go, the color is back. But the movement is not working. I just followed a tutorial and it's still not working. I did everything as let's
this guy
create first a
works
parameter
for
of type rigid
him,
body to access its class.
but it's not working for me. I don't know why. because I'm literally dead right now. I mean, it's working for him. Like, I followed everything same to same in this script. Where's that script? There you go. This one. It's literally the same, but it's not working. I don't know why. Wait, it's get key down. Wait, is that it? Is that it was not working because I didn't do the get key down? Nope, that was not the issue. Why the fuck you don't work? Just work. Let's disable gravity for now. Let's see, it's still not working. Very nice. I'm getting an error. Get key down. Huh. But I am getting an error. Get key down. What? Deleted. Very nice. It's gonna crash again. It's gonna crash again. It's crashing. It's so much crashing. Damn. Well, it's we are 1.5 hour in the stream, and I guess that's enough. What do you say? It's enough. I'm really tired of this shit not working, and I guess I gotta sleep. It's the last try I'm doing. If it works, we're gonna continue. Otherwise, I'm just gonna end the stream here because it's just the time is really going like boom. Okay, it finally worked. Started. Let's give him a nice 2000 forwards that it just jump. So we're doing get key down. Let's run the game. The scene. Okay, there's the scene. Let's run it. Nope. It just doesn't have to work. Okay, I'm gonna do the script once, like the C#. Let's delete this visual scripting stuff. Let's go back to the source, the game. Let's create a new C# script. Wait. There, controller. I got another tutorial for that one. I just got I'm gonna open it up. I'm gonna see if this thing works. Oh, not this one. You are just not working. This one. So this is what is happening. Well, I am still gonna live stream because I am very, very stubborn. I'm still gonna live stream, no matter who, if anyone watches, because I'm not doing it for the people, I'm doing it for me. So yeah, it's enough to do it. Okay, never mind. Just do stuff here. Public float. We need a variable. Public float. Float speed. And we need a private thingy. Private rigid body. Rigid body. Then over here on start, we're gonna say rigid body equals. I don't know why it's not working. The color coding and everything is not working. I don't know why, but just fuck it. Vector dot as okay, now it is an error. What the hell? Okay, now it again crashed. Well, this engine sucks. I am not using it again. This engine really sucks. It just keep crashing. I don't know why. It just keep crashing. It just keep crashing. It's just keep crashing. Fuck you, Flax. Fuck you. For real. Well, that's it then. I'll meet you in the next week with the stride. I hope it's not that bad stride, or let's just move on to the gdevelop, because it's what I actually know how to use a little bit, but I can make games with it, like not just come and just fail and just quit the stream, right? So we're gonna do gdevelop next. That is a visual scripting thing. Let me just show you what it is. gdevelop. It's a cool thing. I did this in my mega game engine challenge video series. I covered this one. Right? Easy publish your games to right. So it has a web editor as well, but we're just going to use the middle one. So we're going to do the default, or not default, the gdevelop in the next stream, because I really know like how to use this one. Like not really now, but I know how to make games with this one. For real, this would be way better. Like I'm just done with all these not so cool engines. Unity is good, at least it works. Like it does not do that stuff that the Flax is doing. I'm literally following the guy and it works for him but not for me. Like why the fuck is that? But whatever, we're gonna do this the next weekend. I hope your time is wasted a lot. So yeah, see ya in the next week. Bye.